Say, I love you, mommy. Grawley.
Come here.
No. No, lubot.
Straight up.
Grawley.
Up.
Don't say that. No, that's bad. That's a bad word. Okay? No, don't say that.
Come to mommy.
Come to your mommy. Come on. Growl. Come on, sing. Say sing. No, I'm not giving you a kiss. No, no kiss for you.
You're so cute. You're so pretty. I love so much. I love mom. Three.
Come on, sing.
And a book.
Say, you're a mean one. Come on, Growl.
Come here.
You're a mean one.
You're so cute.
You're a mean one. Mr. Growl.
I love.
Come on.
And a book.
No, not to do it. That's funny. No, no. Hey. No, no rubber boat, okay? It's not love. It's not rubber boat. No, it's rubber boy. No, don't say the boat. Okay?
Come to mommy.
Oh.
Oh, sweet. Oh.
Grawley, say hi.
I like you.
You like me?
The boot. Come here.
No, don't come. Hey, toot, toot. Say toot. No. You want some kiss? No. Okay. Hey, 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 hey.
Oh, sweet.
Say one. Oh, what nice. Oh, nice song. Hello? Oh. Growl. Grawley. What about say, you're a mean one, Mr. Growl. Come on, Growl. No. What? What? Say one, two, three. No. Hey. Come here. Hey. Say one. Come on. One, two, two, two. Say, say, I love you, mommy. Say, I love you, mommy. Grawley. Say, I love you, mommy. You're a mean one, Mr. Growl. Come on, Growl. You're a very growly bird, Mr. Growly bird. Hey. Hey, I'm a toot. Grawley, are you a matut? Hey, come here. Say utut. No. No, no, no. Woo, woo. Oh. Come on. Say toot. Who put? You put? Grawley. You have big lubot? Growl! Is your lubot big? Huh? Come on, Growl. Come on. Oh. Say hello, beautiful. Come on. Say I love you, mommy. Say I love you, mommy. Say I love you, mommy. Toot. Where's the cat? Oh, look at the cat. Is that dog or cat?
Half dog, half cat.
Let me see. Let me focus on him. What's his name? Let me see. He looks like a tiger or lion. There, I want to take a picture with his face. This is a Persian cat. We adopted him. Okay? A cat and Paco. They get along. Come on, Paco. You get a new friend, Pac? Oh, Heidi gave this cat some kind of a haircut. What kind of haircut is that, Heidi? Lion King haircut?
Yeah.
I know, that's kind of different. He looks funny. He got big head and skinny body, and he got a lion tail right there. See? And he got like almost like boots. It looks like he got boots there. Oh, okay. Okay, let's go back to Grawley. Come on, Growl. Come on, sing. Say, you're a mean one, Mr. Growl. Come on. Hi. No. Why you like to say that? Why you like that say yung lubot? Huh? That's your oh. Say utut. Toot. Grawley. Say toot. Grawley is utut. No, I'm not giving you a kiss. No way. Huh? Growl. Oh. All right. Something. Say something else. Growl. Oh, sweet. I'm a toot. Come on. Toot. All right. Hey, Growl. What's wrong? Are you itching? Are you scratching? Who's cute? Growl. Who's cute? Are you cute? Huh? Grawley. Grawley. Turn here, lubot. Hey. Uy. Oh, who's sweet? You're a mean one. Oh. What is that? Sleeping Beauty song? Grawley, is that Sleeping Beauty song? Ah. Oh. So you can be a singer, huh? Grawley. Growl. Say, come on. Look. He's laughing. Growl. Oh. Oh, look. He's laughing. Grawley. Grawley. Can you say good morning? Good morning. Grawley. Hey, Amatut, good morning. Growl. Oh. How are you doing? Huh? Can you say I love you? Say I love you so much. Growl. Oh. Hello. So cute. Come on, whistle. Whistle. I don't understand. What you saying? Grawley. Growl. Oh. Hey? Oh, sweet. Who's sweet? Huh? Grawley. Say bye-bye. Say bye. Grawley. No, Say bye.
Oh.
Hi. Bye-bye.